Alright, so here we got, I just got my 2012 Bryant Legacy Line gas furnace starting up. This is going to be a startup shutdown of it this time. This is the startup shutdown for the winter time in January, so yeah. May 2012, 2.5 ton. There's the vent pipe. It's not any temperature, this room temperature, that's kind of cold. Filter. Ducts are ducts. Alright, here's the guest bathroom vent, right here. Feels very nice and warm. This is doing great. Let's go check out the check out the upstairs office, I guess. Yeah, upstairs office. Alright, here's the upstairs office map. Up there, underneath the MIDI keyboard. And over here is where I'm where I edit my videos. So yeah, main return event up there. Yeah, there's that one. So yeah. Let's go check on the thermostat now. Alright, so here's the thermostat. It's set to 74 in here, and it's set to 76. Usually have it at 75, but I turned it up to get it to come on. So, yeah. That clock's wrong. It's actually much later. It's 10:15. So, yeah, it's in heat mode, 76, and it's 74 in here, so yeah. Let's go take a look at the gas meter. Alright, here's the gas meter. Feet, there. So yeah. Alright, well. It's at night once again. Anyways, yeah, let's go inside and shut off the furnace now. Yeah. So yeah, thank you for watching, and over and out. Let's do the shutdown now.